If you want to start using Sellfy, you should click on the link in the description to create an account. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell ClickBank products on Sellfy Store. So first, go to clickbank.com and create a free account if you don't already have one. Once registered, log into your ClickBank dashboard. And then navigate to the Marketplace section in the ClickBank. Search for products relevant to your niche. For example, if you have a fitness store, you can look for a workout guides or meal plans. And if you have a tech focus store, look for a digital tools or software. After that, look at the product's commission percentage and other details to choose the best one. So once you find the product, click the promote button and then enter your affiliate ID and generate your unique affiliate link. After that, you can now copy the affiliate link and save it for later. So after that, to log into your Sellfy store, go to sellfy.com and log into your account. Make sure your store is set up and ready to go. From your Sellfy dashboard, navigate to the product section and then click add new product and select digital product. And then after that, you can now customize the product for ClickBank. Add the product title that matches or describes the ClickBank product you're promoting, and then in the description, explain the benefits of the product, highlight its feature, and include a clear call to action. So instead of uploading a file, paste your affiliate link that you copied from the ClickBank in the description or include it in the downloadable PDF file. And after that, you can also add images or videos from the ClickBank products affiliate resources to make your listing more appealing. And then after that, you can now set the price as free if you're only promoting the product for commission, or use the suggested price from the ClickBank if applicable. And then you can now encourage customers to click on the affiliate link to make their purchase. Once everything is set, you can now click save and publish to make the product live in your Sellfy store. You can also share your Sellfy store link on social media, email, newsletter, or your website to drive a traffic. And that's it. That's how you sell a ClickBank products on your Sellfy store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.